guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm actually here at my parents' house and I am gonna make my famous peach cobbler. So first what you wanna do is turn the oven to 425.
How you work this thing?
And I don't even have my pans ready. Dad, you guys got some pans? We're gonna get right into this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, let's get started. Okay, so we have some brown sugar here. We have some cinnamon, some yellow cake mix, your peaches, and then I'm gonna put some chopped pecans, but not in mine because I'm allergic to nuts, so I'll put that in after on the end. And then you're gonna want a stick of butter because you're gonna wanna put that on top. Well, we have a guest that wants to say hi.
What up?
This is my little brother, obviously. You can tell we look like twins. Okay, so we're gonna start first by putting the can of peaches. And you just want to dump the whole can gently into here. We're gonna get some cinnamon. And you want to put a decent amount of cinnamon in there and then just stir that around as well. So usually I get the peaches that are not in a light syrup. So I don't know how this one's going to turn out because I usually get the normal type of syrup. So I guess we're going to be making a healthy kind. And then I go in with some brown sugar. And this is kind of where your sweetness is gonna get in there. You wanna put the brown sugar on inside of the peaches, but you also wanna put it on top. Don't measure, I don't have any measurements for this. Next, we're gonna put the whole box of the cake mix in here. Make a nice layer on top. Make sure it's a very even layer or else it's not gonna really taste like a peach cobbler because you're gonna have more peaches and no crust. Okay guys, so this is what it's looking like so far. So then you just want to top it again with some cinnamon, some brown sugar, and some more, what else? Some butter. You wanna just cut up some pieces of butter and put it on top, and that's it. And then you just put it in the oven. I just watch it to make sure it looks good. It doesn't have to be room temperature or anything like that. I just get normal sticks and you just wanna cut it and place them on top. So it's gonna help get you that crispiness on the outside. This is what the peach cobbler looks like before you put it in the oven. So looks pretty good. Just gonna throw it in there and let's see what it looks like after it's ready. Okay guys, we are going to check on this and see how it's looking. Looks like I might have put a little too much cinnamon, but it'll still taste really good. Let's see. Okay guys, so I am back. This is the final result. Looks pretty good. We're gonna do a taste test. Okay, so my brother taste test.
It's pretty good. Was it peach?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah.
What's the consistency? Give me a scale, 1 to 10. What are we getting here? The viewers are waiting.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Oh, 9. That's pretty good.
Has really good consistency, really crunchy. The texture just brings it all together. Brown sugar you're putting in.
Mm-hmm. You only knew that because you could see the brown sugar.
No, I can taste brown sugar.
What does brown sugar taste like?
Brown sugar.
But how do you know?
Because I've had brown sugar before.
So how do you know it tastes like brown sugar? It doesn't taste like white sugar?
No, it doesn't taste like white sugar because there's a difference.
How?
Because brown sugar is more granulated than white sugar. So
you guys let me know in the comments below. Brown sugar or white sugar? Do you really know the difference of it
Yes,
without
you do.
looking at the bag? This is gonna bring us to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys make this recipe, but I'll see you guys in the next one.